Alright guys, so hopefully you had an opportunity to go ahead and practice using those beginner CLI commands in your CentOS or Red Hat machine. What we're going to do now is I'm going to take just a couple minutes to run you through how I completed each objective. So go ahead, if you want to follow along you can, and just watch it, how I use these different commands in the CLI. Now, please do not watch this video if you have not yet completed the practice that I provided in my Google Slides. You should only be watching this if you've already completed the practice or you're stuck and can't move on. So here we go. Alright, so first what I'm going to do is open up my terminal. Our first objective is to see who we are as a user. So I will run who am I. So I see that I'm user. Now pwd to show our present working directory, and ls, remember, shows the contents of that directory. So let's change to the documents directory. Now the next thing I need to do is list two files. So I'll use the touch command to create both context.txt and payroll.txt. Now if we ls to show the contents, we've got both text files. Now remember, we're going to use makedir to create our directory labeled San Antonio. Now remember, we use remove to delete a file, so we use rm payroll.txt and rmdir to delete a directory. So now all we have left is context.txt. We're going to look up the manual page for grep, scroll through, and remember to exit the manual page. You're going to hit Q for quit. Next objective on our list is to change users, so switch user to root, enter your password. So now we're going to change directory. There are a couple ways we can do this. This is an absolute path. You can see that our current directory is desktop. Let's go ahead and create the file, moveit.txt, and we'll use the copy function to copy moveit.txt from the desktop into the documents directory. Let's go ahead and change directories to home, user, desktop, or documents. And we can see that we successfully moved that moveit.txt file. Now to exit that root user, we simply type exit, and now we can see we're back to the user. Type history, and we can see all of the commands that we put up until this point.